This is a demo of our WordPress plugin called Simple Files. Simple Files is a file management plugin that replicates the functionality of Dropbox. It doesn't connect to Dropbox, but it does all the same things. So I will show you how it works. First, we of course download the plugin and then activate it in the standard plugins area. And I've already downloaded it and activated it, but you'll see it's called Simple Files. And you'll also see it in the sidebar, Simple Files, which will give you a number of options when you click on that to set the file types that you can upload or manage within your file manager. You can also limit the upload file size, the maximum number of megabytes that you want to allow users on the front end to upload. So let's just jump right to creating a page and adding a file management area. So the file manager, Simple Files, can be added to any page or post. So let's just put file management area, and all you do is add a square bracket, the word file, and close the square bracket and hit publish. You can only use the shortcode one time per page or post, but you can use it on as many pages or posts as you'd like. So let's view the page and take a look at the file tree. So as you can see, it's Dropbox-like interface. We've got a number of functions here: upload file, create folder, share. You can share and send a file by email. So let us start by simply uploading a file. You can choose a file from your media library, or you can upload a file from your computer. You can just drag and drop using the select files. So drag it from your desktop or use the media library. I'm just going to use a file I've already got in my media library here. So as you can see, it has added the file. You'll notice it's added a 1 because I've actually already been testing this and added the same file again. So it'll prevent overwriting files by adding a 1, 2, or 3 in brackets. So when you highlight the file, you'll see a number of options. Rename the file. We can rename it. Why don't we just call it something a little shorter, like cabin 1. Update. Rename completed. We can share it, we can delete it, share it. You can download it, either click download, double click, or click on the actual file name. Copy this to another folder, or copy it further up or down the tree. And set permissions. This is actually a very powerful function. You can choose a role, such as subscriber, and say maybe subscribers can only view and share this link, but they can't download it, and they can't delete it or rename it or create any folders. So let's just say that they can share and view it, and we can. So all subscribers will now only be allowed to view and share the file, but they won't be able to download and access it. Another option is to create a folder, which is always useful, of course. Now we have a folder here. We can similarly set permissions on the folder or set permissions on the file, and we can drag the file into the folder, which is always nice. And you can open up the folder and see your file. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Drag and drop. Again, highlight the file and you get all sorts of options. We can just do a sharing example. Very simple. This will send a link directly to this file and to that email that was specified. and hope you like it. Simple Files, WordPress plugin that replicates Dropbox.com functionality.